The Hyundai IONIQ 5's infotainment system is powered by Android-based software called CCOS. This advanced touchscreen interface can sometimes experience freezes or unresponsiveness. These issues often stem from software conflicts, incompatible apps, or memory overload. The first solution is a reboot, also called a soft reset. Simply hold the power button on the screen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. For more persistent problems, a factory reset restores the system to its original state. Access this through the Settings menu under General, then Reset, then Factory Reset. This will erase all your data, so back it up first. You can also have a dealership perform it. Important: always perform these resets while your vehicle is parked to avoid disrupting driving features like navigation or climate control. If a simple reboot doesn't resolve the infotainment freeze, try a factory reset. Remember to back up your data first to avoid losing playlists or settings. Hyundai's My Hyundai app now includes remote diagnostic tools, allowing you to initiate resets without visiting a dealership. Recent updates like CCOS 1.8 and 2.0 have significantly reduced freeze incidents, particularly in newer IONIQ 5 models, through improved stability and faster processing. Future trends point towards software-defined vehicles with advanced AI features, though this may introduce more bugs initially. Hyundai plans a cloud-based architecture by 2027 for real-time fixes and better cybersecurity. Keep your system updated to prevent issues, and if problems persist, consult your Hyundai dealer for professional assistance.